Big old Kamado with fire inside. Burning dreams and hope, can't let them slide.
What the? What was that? Oh, that's right. I forgot to mention one thing. Though you may have left the darkened realm, you haven't transformed back to your former self, and you won't anytime soon. Now why could that be? See you later. Wait! Sheesh. That nearly killed me. Ladies and gentlemen, part 6, sound effects. Alright, let's go. I don't know what else to do. Huh? So, what next? What? Did you think I'd disappear? Listen, there's another thing I forgot to tell you. Don't think you can run off and save your friends, because you can't. Just beyond that bridge, the land is covered in twilight. Last time a shadow beast pulled you through the curtain of twilight. If you want to go, you have to cooperate from someone from the twilight, like me. You really have no choice but to do what I say. Saving your friends and all, well, that depends on your actions. Because you never can trust words, you know. Right now, I want a sword and shield that'll suit me. You do understand me, don't you? So, what do you plan to do? While you're here dawdling, the twilight continues to expand. Come on, hurry up. Sheesh. I'm like on the brink of death. Oh, Goblin?
I'm gonna kick you. Wait, where did he go?
Spit attack! Ow, my tail. Oh. Alright. You want some? Yeah. Yeah, you can't catch me. Can't catch me. Can't catch me. Can't catch me. Game over. This is solo leveling. We'll retry. What? I'm alive? Whoa. This is solo leveling. Yeah! I'm not weak anymore. I'm stronger and more powerful. Alright, let's go.
Wait! Thank you for taking care of those bad guys. They made both the village and the forest a mess. They kidnapped the village children. But I know, you're not one of them. I can tell because you smell like the trees of Ordon. If you run into any animals, so try talking to them. We'll understand one another, so you'll be alright.
What's happened to this place? Oh, how did it come to this? The children, please say nothing's happened. Please forgive your good-for-nothing father. Alright, so Midna needs a sword and a shield. Huh? Oh, about the shield. Hey, not so loud. So, that shield is still in your house, right? Yeah, it should be in our storage loft. Good. Go grab it quick as you can. Russell got wounded pretty bad, so we can't go search for the kids. I'll take over for him. But Russell has a sword, Mare, and he still got hurt. If you're unarmed, you're done for. I'll be fine. The sword we were going to present to the royal family should still be at Russell's house. Oh yeah, alright. I understand, Mare. I'll hurry up and get that shield. You just wait here. Oh, no good! Run! That's not a bad bit of information you heard, huh? Ugh, look at the open window. This village is full of idiots. So... we should jump up there. But from where? More riddles. Actually... monster! You've returned for more, haven't you? My daughter, return her! And take this! Hawkeye! Wait, buddy. No, please. Ah! Holy crap. Wait. Sierra?
Were you attacked by that hawk? You're no match for him. I'm sorry, that person calling the hawk is my master's husband. You could sneak up from behind and scare him. Wow.
Thanks for the info. Come on, let's get up on the roof from here and scare that guy. Look at him posing like he's all important. Wait until he sees us. Alright, here goes nothing.
Peace.
Oh, sheesh. Wait, how? Hawkeye, come to me. So, you're Fuego, right? Sorry about giving you so much trouble before. I'm not proud of it, but it's in my genes to obey anyone who blows a reed. How sad. Your voice, it sounded just like a reed. That's why I flew down. I'll tell you what. Next time, call me like that when you need something. Who knows? I might be able to help you out. Thanks, Hawkeye. Ah, what a nice bird. Whew. Let's do this thing. You got the Ordon shield. It looks kind of cheap. Alright then, next is a sword. Hurry up and get one. Ugh, sheesh, so weird. What was that sound? The children could not have returned, could they? I must go out and search one last time. You get inside the house. I have placed a sword. This be a gift. It's a high rule on the couch. If the mayor comes for it, please give it to him.
But darling, your injuries.
I can use this to get inside the house. Alright. There's the sword. You got the Ordon sword. This is a sword crafted by Russell, the best swordsman in Ordon, as a tribute to the royal family. Alright, so now you have a sword. Looks like you can actually be useful. No more detours, I'm going to take you back into the Twilight. Go back to the woods where you first transformed into that shape. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to end the video right there. Like and subscribe. And, peace.